Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am going to be building an embellishment box for you all. I'm working on a Valentine's Day project, and I am going to use some of these amazing products that I got from CoBeads to create an embellishment box. So I'm going to add one of these because I'm going for a Valentine's theme. I'm going to add one of those to the bottom there, a cute little lollipop, and then I'm going to top it with these adorable, gorgeous lollipops that I got from CoBeads. Love those. Such a good little variety of items tucked inside here. Really want to focus on the pinks and the reds. Okay, so that's going to go in there. Take some of these beads here. I want to make sure I can fit all of these. Okay, charms in there. I'm actually going to give her one more pink charm here. It's very bright pink, but just a little bit different to add some fun. That's from one of my stash ones, but I want it to be on the bottom because I really want the focus to be on the lighter pinks. There, so let's put the darkest pink on the bottom, that cutest pink up on the top there. That way she gets a variety, but we really focus on those very light pinks, which are my favorite. It's still gonna close. Oh, it's not. I have to take out one of the hearts. Yeah, there's a couple of hearts in there, so I'll take out one of those. Now it'll close. Good. Okay. Lovely. Okay, I wanted to put some of these things from my stash in here as well. Some paper clips that say XO, Best Gal, and Lovely. I have another one. I wonder if it'll close if I put another one in there. Bestie. Maybe we will. Oh yeah, that'll close. Okay. Include that there. Okay. And then I'm going to take this out here and I'm going to put just some of those guys in there. And then I want to fill these three up with some fun charms. So I'm going to put some of these here. I'm going to add some of these gold and pink charms on top. And the kitty cats and the hearts. And some of these fun ones here too. A good variety of those. Actually, I would like to give her one of these. Might have to take that red one out. Oh, maybe I could put the red lollipop in down on that one. I think we could probably fiddle with those to get them to fit. Is that all gonna fit? It doesn't like this one on there. Okay, I was gonna be checking to make sure everything is going to close. I really wanted to add some of these other beads that I have here in pink. I started to sort through these already. Put the pink ones over here. There's so many nice beads that I have in my stash here. I'm going to draw out the pink ones. And get some really fun ones in here. Pack as many in as we can. Give a good variety. What doesn't she have yet? Maybe I'll give a couple of bows. Those bows are fun because you can put those not even as beads, but you can put them on embellishments and things. And then I have these wooden beads I'd like to include. I think I'm just going to focus on the pinks and the whites of these wooden ones. It's kind of purpley. Cute. Should be getting as many in as I can. Okay. And then with this one, I think I'm going to add just some of these heart sequins. Can I fit those in there? Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, that's good. Those can fit in because they're all sort of sequiny items. And then really pretty there. Aha. Yes. Okay. There's our embellishment box. And now I'm going to decorate the cover and get it all ready to package off for my pen pal. And this has a beautiful spot here that I can add a dangle to. So that's what I'm going to do with that there. Okay, so here is the finished product. Included on this dangle are some of the fun charms that are included inside here from CoBeads, and that just dangles off the edge. And here I can actually unwrap this here. It's very simple. I just put some twine, or not twine, but this, or tulle, I guess it's called, some of this tulle around this. So what I did here was double layered 2 pieces of patterned paper, put a gold word happy across. I made these paper flowers and this little butterfly, and everything is inside here. And she opens it up, and then I made sure that this was on the back. I actually put this extra paper layered on the back as well. I tried to put it on the inside here, but actually these seal the containers, which is very nice. So there is my complete embellishment box ready to send off for my Happy Mail. Thanks so much for watching. I'll leave links down below for all of the products that came from CoBeads here that are inside the embellishment box, but it was a really fun project to put together, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.